Welcome to the video tutorial of GreenCloud VPS. Today, we will show you how to change the hostname permanently on Linux. Modern Linux distributions come with systemd, a system and service manager that has the hostname ctl command installed by default to manage and change hostnames. First, type the following command to view the current hostname. You will see the following output. On the output, the current hostname is listed as the static hostname. To change it permanently, insert the following command. This command does not produce an output. Therefore, to verify the new hostname, run the following command. Now, the output will show you the new hostname. First, install the Network Manager text user interface package by running the following command. Next, run the following command to check the status of the Network Manager. To start the Network Manager text user interface service, type the following command. Then, run the following command. On the Network Manager text user interface window, select Set System Hostname and press Enter. Type the desired hostname and choose OK. And now, you've successfully changed the hostname. The next option is editing the hostname configuration file and the host's configuration file. Now, open the hostname configuration file. Then, replace the old hostname with a new one. Reboot your system. To verify if the hostname was indeed preserved during the reboot, run the following command. This will display the new hostname you have set up. In this section, you'll learn how to change the hostname without rebooting the system. However, as soon as you restart the system, it will revert to the old hostname. This method is useful when you need to complete a minor task that requires temporary changes. To do it, run the following command. Verify if the hostname has been set correctly by inserting the following command. The output will display the updated hostname.